OSU Water Polo here with YourGameSource.com, and I am going to be unboxing the latest Hyperdimension Neptune game for the PlayStation 4. I did grab the collectors of it from Iffy's shop, which is their official shop. Unfortunately, I opened the box it came in because I just thought it was a shipping box. No, everything was packaged separately, so there's no great big box holding everything that looks cool or anything. First item you get is stuffed plush, one of the characters in the game. Then apparently a whole bunch of paper, which we all love. We then have the game box itself. Which has a bunch of the characters on it. Trying to find a good angle is horrible. And my sense of direction is bad. There we go. That actually looks okay. See the logo on the sides. There isn't much on the back. It is a slipcover. Yay for more glare. Not much on the back, but it does show more character artwork on it. Let's make sure we don't show the address label because I don't trust the internet. I wonder why. And then we have the PlayStation 4 skins that it came with. I really need to learn backwardsness on my screen. You can see a bunch of the characters there. I probably will not be putting this on, so don't ask me for, well, you can ask, but I'm not going to have them. Pictures of the system with the stickers on it. I don't want to put stickers on a console that's going to get warm, and then who knows what that's going to do to the stickers themselves. So as for the game, once we manage to not cut ourselves, box comes apart like so. It has the game disc, which is the same artwork as the cover of the outside box. We have a poster, which folded into force, but still better than nothing. Two of them fighting, which characters fighting in this game is kind of what they do. And then I have the soundtrack, the official soundtrack. And holy cow! 2 CDs. One has 26 tracks, the other has 19. So I mean, what is that? 45 tracks? Don't ask my math to be right. I'm terrible at math. Besides the whole counting degree thing. And here is the art book. Again, that same cover. Ooh. Looks like there was some hand-drawn stuff. Which, come on, camera. Quit catching the glare. I thought it was going to be a comic, but it's just some rough sketches. Look, oh, that's cool. You can see just some of the art in here. So that is going to be it. It's a PS4 game, so I have to shut this down to even transfer over to play it, which since,